Up there, Radical family, welcome back to another video. First things first, Bible verse down below. Comment down below your favorite Bible verse and we'll put it in there for you. Today we're gonna be doing some farm work. We got an old school tractor. Let's hop in here. Just switched out the bucket for the forks. We're gonna put in some gate panels. Guys, praise God. So where we at now is we put all those panels on that trailer right there. Pretty sketchy stuff. Got the tractor right here. We only got a couple panels left, and what we got to do is put the fence back on. And so we got two good green ones. All we need to do is adjust these bad boys right here. So we got to take off this bolt, and it should come off. Oh, this one's a 15. Okay, so we gotta adjust this one and adjust that one so they're nice and right. And then we gotta put a fence in between that gap over there. So, tractor's running now. Got the two gates on. A little crooked, but that's okay. For some ranch work, should do good. And now we just have to get the rest of these panels. We gotta get those two panels, put them over there, and mucho buenito. Patricio. But yeah, look at this. It's these gates didn't even swing before. They be swinging. I don't know. But let me tell you guys something pretty cool. Praise God, I was able to cut all these cow panels all the way there. Takes longer than you think with a grinder. Look at that. Took forever. But I don't know how to get these on. That was a little sketchy. Using grinders are sketchy. Praise God that I'm safe. We cut all the bottoms off that were rusted. This guy, we put this guy on. We just got to get another one of these for the bottom and 2 for that side as well. So we'll try to go get that off now. Pretty sure that's what he's doing. So let's go get. What's up, guys? Praise God, we made it here safe. We're out here getting all these weed piles. I went with a hoe. I forgot to record, but basically there was so much weeds everywhere. Got it all into piles. What we're gonna do, I don't have a wheelbarrow, so what I do is I go around, get all the piles, throw it in here with these 2 rakes that go on the hand, and then I put that on the tarp and drag the tarp to the back to the burn pile. So let me show you guys something. Okay, that's 1 pile, 47 to go. Just kidding. 87. Okay, so this is the first pile. Let's go ahead and put some more cardboard in there. Stump. Pretty sure that's an old sewer or something. Gotta be careful. But I mean, it's crazy. All these bad boys gotta burn, but they take forever to burn because they're not dried out yet, and they take forever to dry out. So you just gotta make the fire super hot. Praise God that we're able to do that. Praise God we didn't catch anything on fire yet. You know? But yeah, so we're just keeping the fire going. We're probably gonna do this for, you know, the sun's coming down, so maybe 30 more minutes. We'll just burn this little pile right here, let it sizzle. But man, is it freaking just sizzling? It's red hot down there, burning up there.
You want another one? You want it? Get on him. He wants it, bro. I know I got bad. Five. See that hair on there? Oh. Oh, he won. Oh! Yeah, it was second pick. I was like,
it.